Hi, I'm Danielle, the domestic scientist, and in today's video, I'm going to create a farmhouse-style tablescape perfect for a fall breakfast featuring sunflowers. So stay tuned. So first, I laid down my table runner. It is a simple black and tan, but it has like a really nice country vibe to it. And then I topped it with a rustic tiered tray. Now, I'm going to start with my centerpiece, and those are going to be made of these beautiful champagne sunflowers that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to place these in a lovely white canister. So to get the centerpiece the way I want it, I'm going to be sure to slide this canister in on the first tier right in between the arms of this wrought iron tier tray. And this is going to create some divisions to help hold my flowers in place. I'm going to just slide one sunflower in between each of the forks that are created on this tier tray, and that way my flowers won't move. And the other benefit to doing it this way is the sunflowers are very large and they have a lot of surface area. So no matter which direction you're looking in, you'll still be able to have a lovely view of these gorgeous sunflowers. So typically when people think of sunflowers, they automatically think of yellow, but I did choose the champagne sunflower simply because it is a lot more versatile. I can pair this color with so many other different things, and so I'll be able to use this for multiple projects down the road. So I'm getting started with my place setting, and the first thing I'm adding are these mustard yellow placemats. They have a really rustic feel, and I like the color of yellow. It's like a nice muted shade, and so it's very versatile. I can use it for a lot of different projects. I'm going in with some burlap charger plates, and these keep it really simple and versatile as well. And then I'm going to top my charger plate with a plain white dinner plate from Tuesday Morning, and this was made by 10 Strawberry Street. They make really incredible dinnerware, and it's super affordable. So I am topping this place setting with a set of ceramic bowls. I absolutely love these bowls. I purchased them from a grocery store a few years ago, and they're really great. It's a large size and it's perfect for a country breakfast. If you're going to be serving oatmeal or grits or corn porridge, whatever it is, or even cereal, whatever it is that you enjoy eating for breakfast, this bowl is perfect and has a really large capacity. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and start adding my silverware, and of course I'm going to use a spoon. So I'm just going to add my napkins to each place setting, and then I'm going to move on to decorating the second tier of my tiered tray. I'm just using these really cute coffee mugs. They all have a bee theme to them, and so they're really sweet, but also the interior and the handle of these coffee mugs is the same shade of mustard yellow as my placemats, so it really ties the colors in just beautifully. Next, I'm going to go ahead with my water glasses for each of my place settings so that my guest can have water or juice. So this is the first of two configurations that I'm going to show today. I really like the way this came together, and in this configuration we're using our coffee mugs as not only decor but actual drinking vessels as well. So it does double duty, and this table is super practical. There's no fussy decor on top of this table, nothing that's really distracting. It's really comfortable, really casual, and has a really home style feel to it. So I do like that aspect of it. So when I was creating this look, my vision was thinking about how we entertain guests in our homes. Typically when I do a tablescape, it's a little bit more formal. It's in some of the, the formal dining room or even in my bay window area, but it's primarily because I plan on serving a fancy dinner. But if I was to have guests to come in my home and stay with me over the holidays or just overnight, I'd want to be able to have a beautifully scaped table for breakfast as well. So that's kind of what I was shooting for here. Now in the second look that I created, I actually used the coffee mugs as drinking vessels and I removed the water glasses. But on my second tier, I left space for honey, and I have this cute little container that has these 4 demi spoons in it, and that's for stirring your warm beverages. Leave a comment in the box below and let me know which configuration you like the best. The one where the coffee mugs are on the second tier tray, or the one where the coffee mugs are on the place setting. Today's tablescape is a part of a YouTube collaboration entitled It's Blooming Sunflowers. The host for this collaboration is If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. There will be a link to both the collaboration playlist and our host channel in the description box below. Be sure to check out the channel and the other collaboration contributions because there's some great work that you don't want to miss. As always, I'm Danielle, the Domestic Scientist. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.